Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to create rectangle with rounded corners in GIMP. So if you want to do it, first we need to create a new image. So I go to File and then I go to New. Now I click OK button and then I recommend you to create a new layer. So I go to Layer, I go to New Layer and I click OK button. Then I go to Rectangle Select Tool. If you don't see this option, you need to click right mouse button here and select Rectangle Select. Then I draw here a new rectangle, maybe something like that. Now from the left panel we need to check rounded corners option. After that, radius settings will be displayed. We can decrease this value or increase this value, everything depends on the effect that you want to get. So for example, I set here this one value, and now if I would like to change color of this rounded rectangle, I need to go to Bucket Fill Tool and I need to change color by clicking here. And for example, I select here red color and I click OK button. Then I click somewhere inside the shape. And how you see, color of the shape has been successfully changed. So it's all for today. If I helped you to create it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.